Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So today guys, we are going to be working on the Citroen Berlingo van. The Transit Connect, the little silver one, that's done, MOT'd, and it's actually up for sale now as well. So that's done and out the way, we can put it out the front. I've got to do the stereo, but I could do the stereo whilst it's up for sale. Do you know what I mean? Get it fixed. So yeah, let's get in the Citroen Berlingo. We'll stick it on the ramp. I've got loads of bits and pieces. I'll show you what we've got. Let's do this. Right, so guys, we have got the Citroen Berlingo in the workshop today because I have actually received quite a few bits and pieces for this van now. So I think we can actually get a good crack at this. I've received headlights, 2 headlights there. I've received the actual new latch lock that goes for the bonnet, so that's in there, and that only actually took about 2 days, not yesterday, before I ordered it. So yeah, a day, next day delivery, so that's really good, and it's brand new as well, brand new. And I think it's about, I can't remember what I said, I think it's about £5 or £6 it's more expensive than a second-hand one. So just it made no sense to me really to go and get a second-hand one from a breakers when you can get a brand new one. So yeah, we've got that. I've got the paint as well. Got some base coat for the painter in this tin, and I've got an aerosol for us to paint on that side of the bonnet today as well. So we've got that. Also, the bumper's turned up, so that's complete brand new bumper in there. I think it's assurance approved aftermarket pattern part, but it's a brand new one. I think I've got to take off a couple of bits off this, like that white strip and the badge grill thing. So those have got to come off to go onto the new bumper. Also, there's always something in there. Always something that comes up. I think the air conditioning compressor needs to be changed because it's rattling. I don't really like the sound of it, so I'm going to change it out for another one. You know, squeaking. So that squeaking is coming from the actual compressor clutch. So that's coming out as well. Get that off. There is no air conditioning in this system because it's all been, when it got hit from the front, it lost all its air conditioning gas. So I still ain't filled this up yet with air conditioning, so we can remove that. The compressor, and switch it out for another one. Don't know if I'm going to get that today, but let's just, I might be able to get it off today, but replacing it, I'm not sure. Let's just see how the day goes, because I have to go off and get it, to take that part to the breakers to match it and then get another one. So yeah, but let's just crack on. Let's start with the headlights, bonnet, bumper, and let's just see how it goes. So yeah, let's do this. Right, okay. So, guys, making some good progress. We've got one issue on that corner headlight I've got to sort out with the wing. But this side, absolutely spot on. Has gone really well. Bolted up really good. So this one's kind of done. The tube actually got, I wondered how that tube connects it, and it actually connects to the top of the headlight there. So that's done, that's filled up. I've checked to make sure there's no leaks, and it actually works as well on the windscreen, and it does. Done the central lock, the new one that I got. So I can't really test that until we get the bonnet on. This headlight is in place, but this side and it's bolted up correctly, but this wing is out very, very slightly there. So I think I've got to undo those two bolts and move that in a little bit to close that gap. And yeah, but I've took the belt off, the auxiliary belt down there, and I just want to show you how quieter this is once I remove the belt. So that's how I know that it's that compressor. How quiet is that? So much better. So yeah, it's definitely something to do with that compressor. So I think once we replace that, it will stop it from squeaking. So yeah, I'll turn it off just in case. So yeah, let's continue. I think next thing we're going to do is get the bonnet on. Then I'll get that compressor, get that off, get that out of the way. And we'll just continue just to see how far we get today. The logbook has turned up for this van as well. So yeah, there's no stopping us now. We can just crack on and get this one finished. So I'll set you up. Let's crack in, guys. Let's do this. Right, okay, let me just cut in there, guys. I want to show you the air conditioning condenser, compressor. That's the compressor. The condenser's on the front, the rad. This is the compressor. Yeah, and I've taken it off, and there, right there, around these little marks here, it's all snapped, look. It's all broken off, these little things. I suppose I have little teeth in there or something, I don't know, but it's all snapped in there, broke. So that is not good. This is the clutch part of it, so that's gonna run freely, if you know what I mean. So that's gonna run free like that, yeah. But this part here is the bit that turns the inside, and it's really stiff as well. And it's just, yeah, it looks like it's just broken off and snapped that part of it inside. So I'm going to have to change the whole lot, get one for the breakers, and then we'll switch it out. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mess around with this corner. I think this bracket here underneath needs to come that way a little bit to get that headlight away from the bonnet a little bit and closer to the wing. So I've got to do a little bit of messing around. We'll take this headlight back out and then move it over a little bit. Keep checking with the bonnet as well. This side's good with the bonnet. It's just that side needs to go over a little bit. So, yeah. And then we'll put the bumper together. But I don't want to put the bumper... Or can I? Might be able to. Let's just see how we get on. And yeah, we'll just crack on, guys. But let's get this corner sorted out first, and then we can just move on. So let's do this. Right, okay, guys. So I'm just working on the bumper. This is the new one I got. This is the old one. So I'm just comparing, you know, what's needed to be done and what stage or whatever. There's one thing that this did not come with, and I've checked to see the listing, and it doesn't. It just comes with the top grille. Is the like middle like grille, like this part. It's weird to explain, but this white piece is separate to this piece, and this chrome piece is separate to this piece as well. So them two come off, and then you've got this like top grille. That did not come with the bumper. I assumed it was going to come with everything, but this did not come with it. That's separate. You have to buy that separate. So yeah, that's going to stop us from putting this bumper together, because that's got to go on that piece. So that obviously piece goes all on that piece, and then it goes in the bumper from the back end. I think that's how it goes. So we're not going to be able to put the top piece on. So there's no point really putting that bumper on until we get the piece that's missing. And I've ordered that, and that should be with us in a couple of days. But it's just I didn't realise that, and now it's going to put me back because I thought it was going to be all in with the new bumper, but I was Yeah, I was mistaken. So, yeah, these little things happen. It means that, you know, we can't complete the bumper. We can't get it on the van. So, yeah, it just, you know, it is what it is. Managed to get this light and the wing tight up against there. So that's good now. So it's in a nice position. The bonnet shuts in a nice position as well. It's just that getting that bumper on, and we've got to get it to the paint shop. So, you know, we have got a few bits and pieces. We've got to get the condenser as well. I keep saying condenser. The compressor for the air conditioning compressor. We have to get that as well. So we've got to get that installed. So we've still got some bits and pieces to do around the van. I just thought it would be, you know, pushed along a little bit further than what it is. But, you know, it don't really matter. We'll get it done in the end. Things will sort of be, you know, as they want to be. So, yeah, but that's the end, really. That's the end of today's video, guys. Can't really do any more. It's absolutely really, really cold now, bitterly cold. Temperature's dropped because it's about 4 now. So I really want to get wrapped up, get home, and have some, you know, have some nice dinner and a nice, you know, nice hot shower. So I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Take care. See you soon.